Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to our channel Tech Review Haven, and we are back with another tech review. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated iPhone 15 Pro. This device has been the talk of the town, and for good reason. As you guys know, I always strive to bring you honest and in-depth reviews to help you make informed decisions about your tech purchases. My goal is to cut through the hype and give you the real deal. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future reviews. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Also, check out our website, Facebook, and Instagram pages for more tech goodness. We post exclusive content, behind-the-scenes looks, and even some tech giveaways. And just a heads up, some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links. This means if you purchase something through those links, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. It's a win-win. Your support through these links allows us to keep bringing you high-quality content and honest reviews. We appreciate every bit of it. Now, back to the iPhone 15 Pro. The hype is real, and everyone wants to know if it lives up to the expectations. This phone promises a lot, but does it deliver? The hype is real, and everyone wants to know if it lives up to the expectations. We'll be taking a close look at its design, performance, camera, battery life, and of course the price. We'll be taking a close look at its design, performance, camera, battery life, and of course the price. But more importantly, we'll be addressing your concerns and answering the questions that matter most to you. But more importantly, we'll be addressing your concerns and answering the questions that matter most to you. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable phone, we've got you covered. In a world saturated with tech reviews, it's easy to get lost in the noise. That's why I'm committed to providing you with trustworthy and unbiased opinions so you can make the best decision for your needs. That's why I'm committed to providing you with trustworthy and unbiased opinions so you can decide if the iPhone 15 Pro is the right fit for your needs. Let's get started. So without further ado, let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of the iPhone 15 Pro. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned. Unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro, you'll immediately notice the familiar sleek design language that Apple is known for. It's a premium device, that's for sure. The build quality is top-notch, with surgical-grade stainless steel bands and a textured matte glass back that feels great in the hand. One thing that immediately stands out is the slightly larger camera bump on the back. It's noticeable, but not a deal-breaker. Apple claims it houses a significantly improved camera system, which we'll delve into later. The phone comes in a range of new colors, including a stunning deep blue and a sleek graphite. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro's first impressions are positive. It feels incredibly solid and well-built, and the new colors are a welcome addition. But let's move beyond the externals and see what's really under the hood. The iPhone 15 Pro retains the same flat-edge design language introduced with the iPhone 12 series. This design has become a signature look for the iPhone, blending sleekness with a touch of industrial charm. It's a design that has grown on many, offering a more modern aesthetic compared to the rounded edges of its predecessors. The flat edges not only look contemporary, but also provide a sense of robustness and durability. However, for some, it might feel a tad less ergonomic, especially during extended use. The sharp edges can dig into the palm, making it less comfortable to hold for long periods. The display is a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion. This display technology ensures that everything from text to images looks crisp and clear. That means you get the same buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate as before, making scrolling and animations incredibly fluid. This high refresh rate is particularly noticeable when gaming or watching high frame rate videos. The display is bright, sharp, and vibrant, offering excellent color accuracy and HDR support. This makes it perfect for viewing HDR content, whether you're streaming a movie or editing photos. Apple has made claims of improved outdoor visibility, and based on our initial testing, it does seem brighter than its predecessor. This is particularly useful for those who use their phones frequently outdoors. However, we'll need to spend more time with it in various lighting conditions to give a definitive verdict. Different environments can affect how well the display performs, so thorough testing is essential. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro's design and display are refinements rather than a complete overhaul. These subtle improvements enhance the user experience without deviating from the familiar design language that users have come to love. Section 4. Performance and Software. The A17 Bionic Chip. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro is powered by Apple's latest and greatest A17 Bionic Chip. As expected, it's a beast in terms of performance. Apps launch instantly, multitasking is a breeze, and demanding games run with silky, smooth frame rates. The A17 Bionic Chip is built on a 3-nanometer process, which allows for improved performance and energy efficiency. This translates to a smoother user experience and potentially longer battery life. We'll be putting those claims to the test in our battery life section. On the software side, the iPhone 15 Pro runs on iOS 17, the latest iteration of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 17 brings some welcome new features, including a redesigned control center, enhanced privacy settings, and improved Siri functionality. As always, iOS offers a seamless and intuitive user experience that Apple is known for. Section 5. Camera capabilities. A significant leap forward. Let's talk about the iPhone 15 Pro's camera system, which has received some significant upgrades. These enhancements are designed to elevate your photography experience to a whole new level. The main sensor is now a 48-megapixel sensor, a considerable jump from the 12-megapixel sensor on its predecessor. This leap in resolution means your photos will have 4 times the detail, making them sharper and more vibrant. This allows for more detail and flexibility in your shots, especially when cropping or printing photos. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, the increased resolution ensures every shot is packed with detail. The ultra-wide lens has also been improved with a wider aperture, capturing more light and detail in low-light conditions. This means your nighttime and indoor photos will look brighter and clearer, with less noise and more accurate colors. And for those who love telephoto photography, the iPhone 15 Pro now features a periscope telephoto lens, offering up to 5 times optical zoom. This allows you to get closer to your subject without losing image quality, perfect for wildlife and sports photography. Apple has also introduced a new feature called ProRAW 48, which captures raw images with all the data from the 48-megapixel sensor. This feature is a game changer for those who want to have complete control over their photos. This gives professional photographers and enthusiasts more flexibility in post-processing. You can adjust exposure, color balance, and other settings without losing any detail, making it easier to achieve the perfect shot. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro's camera system is a significant step up from its predecessor, offering impressive image quality, versatility, and new features for both casual users and professionals. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just love taking photos, the iPhone 15 Pro's camera will not disappoint. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, visit our other platforms and consider buying the product from the link given in the description. Your support helps us bring more detailed reviews and exciting tech content to you. Stay tuned for more videos from Tech Review Haven, where we bring the latest tech insights straight to your screen.